not so much guides jump this place, but that's really fantastic. But one thing, we have no map of this place in our map.
You have to describe it.
Yeah. Look like so. This dive, tricky dive, and current sometimes is so strong this way. Swim close is not off, and very nice and big pinnacles we swim around. Sometimes look to me, look to you, because it's more than possible swim with the sharks, more close than yesterday. White tip sharks, gray tip reef sharks, and somebody say me a few days before white tip sharks, but now not seasonal. I think we submitted just maybe. After 15-20 minutes, I cross sandy area and we start swim between cable corals. Big container, petroleum ship, cargo ship, drop down its container, 12 meters deep. A lot of soft corals and some equipment, I don't know what this means, look like big tanks inside. After 45 minutes, I can close this corner. We have no current, and waves today this way, and I see out of the corner we have boat stop engine, and make me signal, maybe doesn't make the signal. I jump, say okay, and you quickly as possible jump all together, but not one by one. All together, but not jump and swim around a little bit. Because if you jump like one team, you can drop somebody from you. Okay? Okay. Check your body and let's go. You, my body. Stay close, my balloon. Your regulator inside your mouth. Your mask on your face. Team send us this rope. Take this rope and use this rope to swim. Come up with the fins. Backstaff help you while with the fins. Because if you off fins in the water and drop down, you have no dynamic. You swim out, swim. Off your fins and jump off. That's more simple. And two people go up, use laser to go up. Other people stay a little bit far away. Wait my signal, okay, I see. Or inform Maria about 100 pounds and wait signal, okay.